Get up there, Ange. Now you gotta count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh! Did that hurt? Are you okay? That sounded like it might have hurt. You can do it again. You're gonna slide again? Be careful. You gotta sit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go! Yay! Good job. You wanna do it again? You're gonna count to 10. Let's count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go! Yay! Good job!